In the last 20 years, climate change has negatively affected the environment, natural resources and human life. In Vietnam, the unpredictable changes affect climate, crop yields and plant adaptations, as well as increase the risk of spreading and emerging dangerous human diseases. On May 14, 2018, the Prime Minister announced the decision number 523 QD-TTG, approving the strategy to develop the Institute of Biotechnology, Huib University as National Center for Biotechnology in central Vietnam, which has responsibility for innovative research and technology transfer in order to serve social demands. On July 2018, the Institute of Biotechnology became an independent member of Huib University as decision number 939 QD-DHH by President of Huib University. The organizational structure of the institute is consisted of 2 functional offices, 6 laboratories, 1 affiliated institute, 1 department and 2 centers. Full-time staff of the institute includes 1 associate professor, 12 PhDs, 26 master students, 17 bachelors and engineers, and in addition, the institute also has more than 150 part-time staff who are professors, associate professors, PhDs working at Huib University. The staff of the institute are highly qualified lecturers, researchers and specialists, capable of implementing both national and international scientific and technological tasks. Laboratories, research centers under the institute are equipped with modern, synchronous and high-tech instruments matching with international standards. Over the last 5 years, the institute's staff have published more than 184 scientific articles, including over 57 articles published in prestigious international journals, chaired and implemented 5 national independent, 1 national level production project, 1 national project funded by Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development, 2 science and technology programs of the Ministry of Education and Training, 1 NAFOSTED project, 12 ministerial projects, 5 provincial projects, 16 Huib University projects, 7 international cooperation projects. 4 research teams of the institute are recognized as strong research teams at Huib University. Besides, the institute staff have registered 2 utilization solutions, 2 trademarks and transferred 10 technological processes, commercialized many scientific products. The achievements of the Institute of Biotechnology and Science and Technology are really outstanding compared to the other units of similar development period. As a well-known company in Huib and the central region, VIểN CONG Forestry Company specializes in afforestation, exploitation and trading of plantation timber, production and trading of agricultural and forestry plant varieties, production and trading medicinal. Currently, the company has laid the foundation of long-term cooperation with the Institute of Biotechnology to jointly develop and complete the tissue culture propagation processes of high economic value plants, produce biological products for prevention and treatment of pathogens.
Các cái thành tựu của VIểN trong công tác nghiên cứu thì chúng tôi thấy đánh giá rất là cao, vì một số nghiên cứu của VIểN thì cũng đã góp phần cho việc cho chúng tôi trong việc triển khai và thực hiện sản xuất, và tuy là bước đầu nhưng mà cũng là đóng góp cho một cái sự hợp tác cũng như là sự triển khai thực tiễn.
The applied products are priority focused by the Institute, including Vibrio Parahemolytics Diagnostic Kit, Multiplex PCR Kit for rapid detection of acute hepatopancreatic necrosis disease in shrimp, Rapid Diagnosis Kit for diarrhea in pigs, F4 Escherichia coli adhesion antigen detection kit, recombinant vaccines for prevention of diarrhea, head edema in pigs, Fugantamix for enhancement liver function of shrimp and fish, Wassalia-based probiotic product for Vibrio SPP control, antibody for the treatment of acute hepatopancreatic necrosis disease in shrimp, VibFish antibodies prevent and treat hemorrhagic sores caused by Vibrio bacteria in Laxine product for water pollution treatment, Noplen ginseng plantains, in vitro products from Edenisma indianum, Morinda officinalis, biofertilizer and organic hydroponic fertilizer from Moringa residues, medicinal products and organic agricultural products such as antler type Ganoderma lucidum, cantaloupe, asparagus, vegetables, ari rice, razi rice, HD9 rice, organic herbal rice, dried straw mushrooms, moringa powder, moringa tea, spirulina algae. These products are regularly exhibited at the booths of regional and international conferences. At the same time, the Institute regularly transfers technology to solve socio-economic problems, which have a great importance to the locality. The Institute has successfully cooperated with Quảng Province to develop biological products for the prevention and treatment of nematode diseases on fruit trees and pepper, and transfer the propagation process of commercial yak, the sexual propagation process improving the rate and quality of Notlin ginseng plantlets. The Institute is also supporting to implement a conservation and development model for some Dendrobium and Osmum varieties at Quảng Province. In particular, the Institute is promoting research transfer in VIểN Province through cooperation with VIểN Department of Science and Technology to implement key tasks in development of science and technology in the province.
Trong những năm qua thì Viện Công nghệ Sinh học đã tái cấu trúc lại và đã gặt hái rất là nhiều cái thành tựu quan trọng. Tôi cho rằng là trong một khoảng thời gian ngắn, Viện Công nghệ Sinh học đã thực hiện khá nhiều cái nhiệm vụ khoa học công nghệ cấp quốc gia và hơn 15 cái nhiệm vụ khoa học công nghệ cấp bộ và cấp tỉnh đã thực sự khẳng định vai trò của Viện Công nghệ Sinh học trong việc ứng dụng công nghệ sinh học, những công trình nghiên cứu cơ bản cũng như là việc tham gia chuyển giao công nghệ về công nghệ sinh học để đưa thực tiễn vào sản xuất và đời sống của người dân.
In order to enhance experiences, the Institute usually organizes monthly scientific seminars as well as conferences with the attendance of the Director Board of the Institute of Biotechnology, heads of laboratories, officials, domestic and international scholars, together with graduated students. This is an opportunity to exchange experiences between staffs who are experienced in research and implementation of different project levels and graduated students in sharing recently researched results.
Về cơ sở vật chất ở đây thì đầu tư các trang thiết bị rất là hiện đại, có tính chuyên sâu, phục vụ cho những nghiên cứu sâu của những cán bộ nghiên cứu như chúng tôi. Thứ hai là về con người thì các cán bộ nghiên cứu ở đây rất là thân thiện, hòa đồng, hòa nhã và luôn gắn kết với nhau để thực hiện các cái nhiệm vụ do cấp trên được giao.
Since December 2018, the Institute has been approved for PhD training program. Up to date, the Institute is launching 2 bilingual Doctor of Philosophy training programs in biology and in organic agriculture, enrolled 9 PhD students and 1 pre-PhD student. It is expected that the Institute will enroll from 4 to 8 PhD students in both majors for each year. In 2019 and 2022, the Institute promoted the enrollment at universities and colleges in Laos People's Democratic Republic. Currently, the first PhD student has successfully defended the doctoral dissertation at institute level. PhD students of the Institute receive many scholarship opportunities and incentives. A PhD student will be supported for a research project of 20 million Vietnam dong. 100% of research funding for the dissertation is involved in research project of staff, 50% of tuition fee for full-time working for the project of the supervisors.
Các thầy cô ở đây đều là người giàu kiến thức và kinh nghiệm lâu năm.
So very happy to study here and have to learn about biotechnology.
The Institute has also built 24 short-term training courses in biotechnology in order to contribute to human resources for the central provinces, as well as create favourable conditions for intensive study opportunities of students in the related majors of Huib University to improve the experiences as well as practical skills. In addition, the Institute is opening career-orientated programs aimed at high school, primary and kindergarten students. For each subject, the Institute has different forms of career orientation in order to elicit a love for science, discovery and career orientation. The most important factor to build up a success for the Institute is international cooperation. Therefore, the Institute expands international cooperation with universities, research institutes and organizations in the world. Recently, staffs of the Institute have been studying at prestigious universities in Japan, Korea, Turkey and Australia. Many graduated students get scholarships for study abroad by the introduction of the Institute staff, affirming the prestige of the Institute staff as well as improving the training quality, the trademark of Huib University. In 2019, the Institute and Savannakhet University, Laos, signed an agreement on training cooperation. This is a step forward for the Institute in particular, and Huib University in general, to have more cooperation relationships. Every year, the Institute organizes specialized scientific conferences and seminars. In 2020, the Institute successfully organized 2020 Vietnam National Conference on Biotechnology, from basic research to application for industrialization and modernization. This is an important event with the participation of domestic leading scientists in biotechnology and international scholars to discuss and propose novel ideas with high application in practice. The Institute of Biotechnology, Huib University, always appreciates the achievements and looks forward to a better future, constantly in applied science and technology, improvement, practical experiences, teaching and scientific researches, and so on, to bring high-value products into practice. The Institute of Biotechnology shall show solidarity, creativity, development and integration to move forward in the future.